Hello Bladers! Have you ever experienced opening your car, only to find out there is an evidence of an invasion? Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. That invasion are from Pest. Here are some tips to prevent it from happening again. Number 1, remove possible food sources. This is the understatement and number 1 rule of all times, but this is the game changer of everything. Don't leave behind foods of any kind. Mice and rodents are attracted to all sorts of food. This will keep insects or pets out of your car. Number 2. Block entry. Certain car models have air intakes that become signs, so block off these with wire mesh. Understand that rodents can squeeze in their bodies very well, so give them no other message but to keep out. Number 3. Use deterrents and repellents. Set the message clear that these rodents are not welcomed by using deterrents and repellents. Number 4. Keep your car dry. Aside from keeping your car clean, it also needs to be dry. Never let moisture build up inside your car. Aside from food, mice and rodents also thrive on water, and will always be attracted to moist areas. Number 5. Repel via odor. Some scents are a total turn-off to them too. So, it might be good to have a go with these readily available scents: pine sol, Irish spring soap, peppermint oil, cayenne pepper, and pepper spray. Best to go with a car freshener of your choice. Blade Auto Center offers a wide variety of different scents and flavors. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the tips you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.